Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration for transferring new leads from TikTok to Slack. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Slack, you can send yourself direct messages about new leads and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the data source system, TikTok. Now select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Slack, Personal Notification. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Slack account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify your workspace. To do this, go to your Slack personal account. Copy the workspace without additional characters. Now, you need to specify the login and password of your Slack personal account or log in through your Google or Apple account. At this stage, grant Save My Leads permission to work with your Slack account. After that, close the connection window and reload the page. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. Next, you see the Slack fields for sending messages. First, select the user to whom new messages will be sent. Now you see the text field, into which you can assign variables from TikTok. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the preset fields, you can leave them unchanged. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Slack in private messages with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. After successful sending, go to Slack and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly sent to Slack in the form of personal messages, you need to enable auto update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.